Hi guys, and thanks for tuning in. Today I would like to revisit my Firelap IW-05 version 2 model. In the unboxing video, I shorted out the ESC board, so today I will replace the electronics. The unboxing video is in the link above if you're interested. All the parts used will be linked in the description. As you can see, I also upgraded to a Mini Q T30 motor for better power delivery. So let's begin by removing the wheels, 4 nylon wheel nuts, and we can move on. Next, 2 servo mounting screws and detach the servos. Next, the gearbox. 3 screws hold the cover in place. Remove the gears. You may want to keep an eye on for the bearings. They are tiny and tend to pop out. Now we have access to the motor mount. Remove 2 button hex screws and the pinion gear. Now the motor is free. I pre-fit the receiver. It is a FlySky unit for my GT3B transmitter. There is a link in the description if you're interested. It's one of the best bang for your buck on the market. Here's the chosen ESC. It is a small and compact unit, perfect for the job. I just need to make some small modifications to suit the install. I have removed the brake switch and soldered the 2 inner pads closed permanently to the brake on position. Next, the motor plug was replaced with a 2-pin JST connector. A quick fit check. It will line up with the original plug location perfectly. Next, I want to test all the remaining components. It looks like everything will line up and work just as planned. I decided to reset the original switch. The top deck needs to come off, 8 screws and 4 more for the drive shaft assembly. I soldered the switch in off camera and rerouted the wires to the bottom of the ESC board. I used some double-sided adhesive foam to mount the ESC and the receiver to the chassis. It worked out well. Now reset the drive shaft assembly and the top deck. The mounting screws will need some thread lock as the plastic is quite soft and easily stripped. I only reset one of the motor mounting screws, the inner one. I may need to adjust the gear mesh later on. Now carefully align and reset all the gearbox gears, followed by the gearbox cover. Tighten the motor mounting screw and you're all set. Next, the servo is reset. Just 2 screws and 1 for the servo saver. Now onto the rims. I added a 2mm washer at each rim to mitigate some of the wheel wobble. It seems to work well for now, but do not over tighten the mounting screws. Plug in the servo wire in channel 1 and then the ESC in channel 2. All set for a systems check. A quick test run on the workshop floor. More turning will be needed down the road. As you can see, it will take a little bit of effort to tame this model. And here's a shot of the upcoming version 3 chassis review from Firelap. Thanks for tuning in. Comment good or bad, subscribe if you like.